Hey guys, today I want to show how to use the dictionary in Python. So first step to create this notebook is to open the Anaconda navigator, yeah, and launch this J- Jupyter notebook, and you can create new notebook Python 3, and this is the notebook. So the dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and this is indexed. In Python, dictionaries are written with curly brackets and they have a case and values. For example, new dictionary is equal. For example, it has a case with name is equal to junior, yeah, and you can add a new k with gender, which is a male, and you can add a new case with year, for example, yeah, and when run and when print this new dictionary, the output is here. Yeah, how to get the values. So for example, x is equal new dictionary, and here you can add this case, for example the name, yeah, and when print this x, it will be Virginia, and you can um, you can get a value. For example, x is equal new dictionary dot get, and for example the name, yeah, and when print output is the same. You can change uh, values. So new dictionary, and for example the year it will be, for example, yeah, and when print this dictionary, so this values is changed. You can print this length, so yeah, dictionary, yeah, it has three case, so the name and gender and year. um, for example, you can add a new element, for example new dictionary, for example the color, it will be the blue, yeah, and when print this, here will be um, a new case and new values. how to delete this key. So del new dictionary, for example the color, yeah, and when print is so the color keys are deleted. You can delete all elements. For example, new dictionary dot clear, and when print this value, here is nothing. When get this length, it is 0. So thank you for watching.